Okay. What is your name? What is your name? Which class you study? What is your school name? What is your school name? Say loudly. What is your class teacher name? Okay, hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Fold your hands. Hands at back. Join your hands. Okay. Keep finger on your lip. Okay. Touch the ground. Okay. Polish your shoe. Very good. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Very good. Okay. I am a cow. Say. Very good. Very good.